Masquerade Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanka kukwea paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe tekwigirai nyayabuditswa nezimai yabuda ichitaura iyo ichiti azinomira mushe a political storm is brewing in ZANU-PF apo parikunzi the businessman with no chivayo aripiwa mhosva yekugadzira political regalia as part yekudestabilizer vice president Constantino Chiwenga. Accusations aya anetsa muRezimbabwe arikonzeresa political uncertainty apo commentators arikutaura kuti there is chaos mubato ZANU-PF. One of the political analysts Kerna Mujati akashitea controversy online mushure mekunge akabuda achiaccusa Chivayo of printing ma t-shirts, ma caps nemamwe items ayo anga ane zita raGeneral Chiwenga zvinzi Chivayo ari kutraya ku disturb the relationship ya Mnangagwa pamwe chete na vice president Constantino Chiwenga. Tingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi kana kwatiri kuita muZANU-PF munomira mushe muri kunze mune mafactions akati one day some other people are saying President Emerson Mnangagwa afanira kutonga kusvika 2030. Vamwe vachitaura ivo vachiti they want General Chiwenga kuti awanikwe achitonga. So according to the ZimI vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti a political storm is brewing in Zimbabwe after explosive allegations surfaced against businessman Wicknell Chivayo, who is accused of manufacturing political regalia as part of a plot to destabilize Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. The accusations have thrust the country into a state of political uncertainty, with commentators predicting further chaos within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Communist and opinionator Kerna Mujati stirred controversy after she publicly accused Chivayo of printing the clothing, t-shirts, caps and other items bearing Chiwenga's name and imagery. According to Mujati, this was done in clandestine attempt to suggest that Chiwenga is preparing to challenge President Emerson Mnangagwa for power ahead of the next year's ZANU-PF elective congress. Mujati's allegations have sparked widespread speculations within ZANU-PF, particularly as tensions have been simmering since the controversial 2023 general elections, which many claim were marred by irregularities. As the country prepares for its upcoming ZANU-PF conference, the release of the regalia has deepened suspicions of a brewing power struggle between factions loyal to Mnangagwa and those rallying behind Chiwenga. Adding to the intrigue, reports circulated that President Mnangagwa flew to his rural home in Roshandiswa without any official announcement, prompting rumors of internal discussions or damage control within the top echelons of the party. Chiwenga, meanwhile, has been suspiciously absent from public appearances, leading to speculations that he may be laying low due to fears of a political maneuver against him. In response to the escalating allegations, Dr. Masimba Mawaza, a prominent ZANU-PF member, dismissed the claims as nonsense, calling them a smear campaign designed to create divisions within the party. ZANU-PF is united and strong, Mawaza insisted during a heated broadcast debate on ZimI. This regalia was not authorized by Vice President Chiwenga, and he is not involved in any plot to seize power. Despite these reassurances, many observers believe the situation is a symptom of deeper factionalism within ZANU-PF. The party has historically been plagued by infighting, with several high-profile figures vying for influence in Zimbabwe's volatile political landscape. The recent coup in 2017 that ousted long-serving leader Robert Mugabe remains fresh in the minds of many, and there are concerns that the current tensions could lead to similar outcome. The regalia controversy has ignited fears that Zimbabwe may be heading toward another period of political unrest, as the symbolism associated with such clothing in Zimbabwean politics has often signaled deeper rifts or pending leadership shifts. The circulation of the items bearing Chiwenga's name has been interpreted by some as an attempt to sow discord within ZANU-PF, while others see it as a signal of Chiwenga's potential aspirations for higher office. As the ZANU-PF conference approaches, the stakes are high. The party, which has ruled Zimbabwe since independence in 1980, faces mounting pressure, both internally and externally, with rumors of factional splits and leadership challenges swelling. The next few weeks may prove critical in determining the future direction of the nation. For now, Zimbabweans are left anxiously watching as their leader engage in a dangerous game of political brinkmanship. Many are hoping that cooler heads will prevail, but the signs of a looming crisis are becoming harder to ignore. Zimbabwe twatikuita my youth during the weekend akabuda achindosa Mnangagwa's 2030 campaign. Jagaro, there are others who are saying they want Vice President Constantino Chiwenga Wachitonga, including the army. Ngaziye kuti chichafamba sei chichapera mushere tawatuya takamira the Congress ya ZANU-PF iyo ichabuda the new party leader wa ZANU-PF achawanikwa achireplace Mnangagwa. Tingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya yetiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
Masoni Baba Masoni Baba Masoni Baba Masoni
Mnangagwa vanenge vachitonga. Mnangagwa vanenge vachitonga.